From raw steel plates to a rolling fortress, today you're about to witness how billionaires and royal families get their ultra-secure luxury rides. Engineers weld, cut, and assemble a black bulletproof SUV to stop bullets, explosions, and anything the world throws at it. And this isn't just a car toy, it's a mobile fortress worth millions. Stay with me till the end because every step will blow your mind. You're watching Factory Founder. Clear.
From the moment the first shipment of raw materials arrives at the factory gates, the journey of creating a bulletproof luxury SUV for royalty and billionaires begins with military-level precision and industrial discipline. As enormous flatbed trucks roll in carrying thick ballistic steel sheets, aluminum alloys, ceramic armor tiles, Kevlar rolls, reinforced glass blocks, and heavy mechanical components, all unloaded by massive forklifts and overhead cranes while engineers scan barcodes and verify material certificates to ensure every piece meets ballistic and structural standards. Then these raw metals are transferred into the cutting zone, where plasma cutters slice steel plates with blinding sparks, laser cutters carve precise patterns, and hydraulic shears shape armor panels according to CAD designs. After which the materials move to the forming department, where gigantic hydraulic presses bend thick steel into curved shapes that will later form the SUV's doors, roof, pillars, and floor pan. Next, the reinforced SUV frame is assembled on a jig table where robotic welding arms move in synchronized choreography, welding beams together with deep molten seams, while human welders inspect penetration depth and structural integrity, building a rigid cage that can survive explosions and high-caliber gunfire. After that, the underbody receives special V-shaped blast deflection plates designed to redirect explosive energy away from the cabin. Bolted and welded underneath with shock absorbers mounted between armor layers to dissipate force. Then the shell moves to the armor integration zone, where ceramic and Kevlar composite layers are installed between steel plates. Creating a multi-layer sandwich that traps and disperses bullet energy, while technicians manually apply industrial adhesives and use vacuum clamps to ensure perfect bonding. Following this, the door manufacturing begins. as each SUV door is stripped to bare metal, then reinforced internally with thick armor slabs, making each door weigh several hundred kilograms. And because of this massive weight, hydraulic hinges and electric assist actuators are installed so occupants can still open them smoothly, and multi-point military locking systems are added to prevent forced entry. Then comes the roof transformation, where factory aluminum is cut away using plasma torches, replaced with thick ballistic steel plates welded into a reinforced cage. And additional ceramic and Kevlar layers are placed underneath to protect from sniper attacks. While inside the cabin, anti-fragment liners are installed to prevent metal shards from injuring passengers.
Door secured. Increase pressure.
Roger that. Pressure increasing.
Next, the factory windows are removed and replaced with transparent armor panels that are several centimeters thick, lifted into place by cranes using suction cups, then sealed using structural adhesives and steel clamps, making them permanently fixed because no normal window motor could lift such weight. Attention shifts to the powertrain, as the factory engine and transmission are removed by crane because they are too weak to move this now multi-ton SUV, and a heavy-duty turbocharged engine is installed with reinforced mounts and upgraded cooling systems. Followed by a military-grade transmission and transfer case to maintain four-wheel drive under extreme load. Next, the suspension system is upgraded with heavy-duty coil springs and reinforced shock absorbers designed to support the added armor weight. And forged steel control arms replace lightweight factory parts to prevent bending during impacts. After this comes the braking system, where oversized ventilated brake discs and multi-piston calipers are installed to stop the armored SUV safely, even at high speeds. Then additional radiators, oil coolers, and high-flow fans are mounted behind the grille to manage the extra heat generated by the powerful engine, followed by a reinforced exhaust system shielded with armor plating to protect it from gunfire. Once mechanical systems are complete, the focus moves to the wheels and tires, where military-grade forged rims are prepared. And inside each tire, a polymer run-flat support ring is installed so the SUV can continue driving even after being completely shot through. Then the thick ballistic tires are mounted using robotic machines because their stiffness is too much for human strength. And once mounted, these massive wheel assemblies are bolted onto the SUV using industrial impact guns. followed by laser wheel alignment to ensure proper handling despite extreme weight. To prove their reliability, engineers deliberately shoot test tires in a firing chamber, confirming the SUV can still drive after massive differentials with hardened gears are installed. Thick drive shafts are bolted in place to transmit power reliably. Next, the interior work begins as technicians strip the cabin completely, exposing raw armored steel walls. Then ballistic interior panels are bolted in place around passengers, along with armored floor plates and a steel bulkhead separating the driver from the VIP compartment. After that, a reinforced dashboard is installed with ballistic backing, while wiring is routed through armored conduits. And emergency oxygen systems are mounted beneath seats to protect occupants from gas attacks. Then, luxury meets security, as custom armored leather seats are installed with reinforced frames, premium materials, and built-in safety systems. And a heavy-duty climate control system is fitted to manage temperature inside the heavily insulated cabin, along with multi-layer soundproofing that reduces noise from the engine and outside threats.
Almost got it. Just a little more pressure on this side.
Once the interior is complete, the exterior panels are reinstalled, so the SUV looks like a normal luxury vehicle from the outside, hiding its fortress-level protection. Then technicians grind and smooth weld seams so no signs of armor are visible, followed by anti-corrosion chemical treatments that coat every metal surface. And after that, the SUV enters a massive paint chamber where robotic arms spray multiple layers of custom royal paint, cured under heated air until the finish becomes glossy and flawless. Then reinforced bumpers, armored side steps, and discrete emergency lights are installed, giving the SUV a powerful yet elegant appearance. Next comes certification, where the completed SUV is taken to a ballistic testing range, and technicians fire high-caliber rounds at test sections while high-speed cameras record the impact, confirming zero penetration. After this, the vehicle undergoes high-speed track testing to verify handling, braking, and acceleration under extreme weight, and engineers analyze telemetry data to fine-tune performance. Then royal inspectors perform a final interior inspection, checking comfort, security systems, and emergency features. And once approved, the SUV is professionally detailed, polished, and prepared for presentation. Finally, the armored luxury SUV is delivered in a private hangar or secure facility where engineers explain every feature to royal security teams, and a ceremonial handover takes place, completing a process that transforms raw steel and glass into a mobile fortress designed to protect the world's most powerful individuals.